Okay, starting on a D201A this time. This one ain't clean like the D201 I just made a video of. It's been experiencing some heat problems. If you can see on that board there, and looking at these resistors and parts that came out of it. The resistors and the caps, we always change the power resistors and the caps anyway. And especially on the BA board, because it sits right next to that hot 6L6 audio tube. That's the thing that destroys D201 circuit board radios, is heat. It's not that the components are undersized. They use the same components in the hardwired one. It's just the circuit board ones, the components are up there next to the tubes and on top where the heat is, and the components don't hold up because of the heat factor. Not because of the power factor, but the heat factor. One thing I did read about, I haven't done a lot of research on it yet, is that carbon resistors like this, these over here, at about 145 degrees, they lose about half of their wattage rating. So a 2-watt resistor like that in a Tram D201 circuit board will probably be derated to half its power, so a 1-watt resistor. And that's why they have so many problems, is trams run hot. Put a fan in them and they'll like it, run cooler, last longer. But anyway, these are all parts out of this BA board. Like I say, sits next to the hot 6L6 tube audio board. So we just starting on a D201. This is going to be an A, and we may post updates as we go along, but time's consuming, a lot of work, but we'll get her going, we'll get her done. All right, bye.